Morning one and all. In this video, we are going to learn about Swift programming basically, which is used for developing iOS applications. Remember, we all want to become a better developers. So basically, you should be able to you should be comfortable to program in any language basically. So that is what I am doing in this vacation. I'm trying to program Swift, Java, C++, Python, and so on. So let's get started. This is an introduction video from Swift. So first of all, we'll learn how to create a very basic variables and functions, right? So let us learn about variables. So in Swift, just like C, so basically Swift is kind of like a C++ language and like combination of Python. So to define basically a variable, you can say where, and you can just say, let's define a boolean. So I'm going to say flag, and I'm going to say colon, and you have to say that this is a boolean, right? And you can say equal to and then false, right? That's a variable, right? That's a boolean. So I can say here bool, right? Now let us define an integer. So we can say num integer is equal to 12 is equal to is equal to 12, right? There, that's an integer, right? So let me just give and comment right there. Right, so it has to be space, right? All right, then we are going to define a string. So name just string is equal to Somil Shah. All right, so that's basically my string. Now let's define a simple float, right? Right, so that's a float. So we have done int, string, float, bool. So now let me also show you how so in the next video I'm going to be talking about very simple arrays in Swift. So see you guys in the next video.